Here's how it looks with it installed with 6 bolts. So you got those fins. So it is pretty close to the ground. I want to say, well, you know how thick a phone is. Thicker than a phone, but it's, I'm going to say 5 inches, lowest point. So it's, gotta be careful. In terms of like blocking any cooling, I don't think it's going to be a big deal. People have done it, but yeah, that's pretty much it.
I'm gonna only, this is one in particular is from the RS, so I'm only gonna use the side bolts. The center won't fit. The 911R model, which ends in I believe 998. This one I think ends in 94. One or the other way. But basically the center bolts are a little bit different on the two versions. And this one's from the 0.2 RS. So basically only can use the side bolts. I don't think it's a big deal. But that's it. In terms of weight difference, these are actually a little bit heavier than the factory one on the 0.1s. So, but you're getting more downforce. So that's something to keep in mind. And it's black, which I do like a lot better than silver. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on, and the bolt is a T30 socket Torx wrench.
This is the under tray for the 991.1 GT3, and this one is for the 991.2 RS. It might be on the 0.2 GT3s as well. I'm not exactly sure, but I know these are on the 911Rs. So the difference is you got this fin on both sides and in the corners, and then also the air comes in through this section and expands, creating, I guess, a suction effect at high speeds. And this is, you know, the standard one, which doesn't have that. It does have a cutout for the, I believe this guy, I don't know, some kind of cooler or something. So I might drill some holes in here, maybe do a little cutout or something or another right here, just so that we have it the same as the original.